Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Camera functions smoothly and the film type is 35 mm. Open the back, insert the cassette, and thread the leader to the K-cup spool so sprockets engage. Once done, close the back and advance the shutter while watching the rewind knob for tension. This tells you the film is loading. Make sure the frame counter returns to 1. This first action gets you shooting ready and prevents light leaks or misloads before you take the first frame. You now set exposure based on the film ISO stamped on the cassette. Dial that number into the camera so the meter readings work correctly. Choose an aperture for the depth of field you want. Smaller f numbers give shallow depth. Larger f numbers increase sharpness across the scene. Then use the Canonet's rangefinder patch to focus precisely. If you prefer zone focusing, estimate distance and set the focus ring. Once accurate, double-check shutter speed matches lighting, and adjust exposure compensation if necessary. You finish each shot by advancing the film and watching the frame counter. This prevents overlapping exposures. Shoot with appropriate shutter speeds, faster for action, slower for low light, and make sure you brace the camera or use a tripod for anything slower than about 1/60. When done with the roll, fully rewind the film before opening the back. If you get blank frames, recheck the film load, confirm ISO and that the shutter is firing. If problems persist, rewind. Open in subdued light.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.